all, there's a very good evening to everybody. And yes, one more thing, a very very happy this month of Savan. Yes, uh, maybe a lot of people who are listening to me might don't know about what is Savan. So for them it's a very very religious month of Hindu calendar. So yeah, thank matlab ki that's so it brings obviously it brings rainy season, right? Although it's not the starting month of rainy season, that is Asadha, but this is the second rainy season we can say, right? Yeah, so and this whole month is dedicated to Lord Shiva. And yes, this was the first Monday of this month, and I kept fast. I did worship, and yes, now I also have eaten food, like the break of my fast. So that's all about that. Now let's talk about what we are here to talk about. First of all, on the very first place, as I told in my previous video, I will be talking about our own state, Madhya Pradesh, right? Although I have thought that I would, go and search some interesting and fascinating facts and figures about it, but unfortunately, I couldn't do that because of some personal constraints. Yes, the first reason that I could not do that was yes, it was a hectic day. Yeah, I have already told that why it was a hectic day. So, without any further delay, let's just jump on the topic, that is Madhya Pradesh, right? So, if we talk about MP, it is a state which, although every state has, significance in its own, right? But particularly if I talk about Madhya Pradesh, it is the central state of India. So it has, a very different but obviously significant role in nation building, right? You would see the role of Madhya Pradesh in history, in politics, culture, customs, religion, and all that. So, starting from the foundation of this formation or this structure of Madhya Pradesh, so the current area or current name of this state was adopted in the year 1956, and date was 1st of November. Yes, guys, 1st of November is the statehood of Madhya Pradesh, and not just MP. It is the statehood day for about 4 to 5 states as well, like Kerala, and if I'm not mistaken, Karnataka, Kerala, and yes, so at the moment I can recall only 2 states. Yes, apart from this, MP has a very significant role in modern history. Apart from this, at the current moment, one fact that makes me really happy about my state is that it has the largest forest cover. Yes, because I personally feel that plants are our saviors, trees are our saviors, right? And we must preserve them. And I feel so thrilled when I read or when I remember this fact that our state has the widest forest cover across India. And additionally, I was reading, yeah, obviously, as I have already told you that I finish my current affairs. So one day I was reading a news that Madhya Pradesh has made a record, not just a record but a world record of planting, I guess 11 lakh saplings or plants at a time. Yes, guys. So this is something that makes me feel on cloud 9, that MP is a state which is very green. Obviously it has a very the widest green cover. And apart from this, you would see the political significance of MP, as it is the second largest state of India after Rajasthan. So, and it have 29 seats of Lok Sabha. And interesting thing about the recent Lok Sabha election to 2024, from Madhya Pradesh, BJP won all 29 seats. Oh my god, this is so, like, I won't say it is amazing because I won't go in politics right now, but yes, so this is a fact that now MP is the center for BJP. Yeah. And if I talk about culture, so yes, as every area, every state, every nation has its cultural significance, but I'm from MP, so I know about MP, I know about its culture. There is, after Odisha, if I'm not mistaken, there is the second largest population of tribals. Yes, MP, Odisha, these are the states which are primarily known for tribal population. Yes, so if I talk about culture, it's so vibrant, every festival, every even a minute occasion is celebrated a very in grandeur manner. And most importantly, I would like to point or point that in India, in Madhya Pradesh, as the river Narmada is passed from the center of the state, and it flows from east to west, and it covers the whole state lengthwise, right? um, yes. So as the Narmada is called as lifeline of Madhya Pradesh, so the Narmada Jayanti is celebrated so a very, and it should be like, we must worship, we must respect, we must preserve, most importantly, our nature. And in nature, rivers, because in Hindu mythology, rivers are considered as mother, right? But a disappointing thing about it, obviously, is we worship, we respect the rivers, but we don't clean them. Yeah, it's a very, very disappointing for me, and I feel so furious about it. Although I can't do a lot about it, I can do on personal level, but on mass level I can't help. So yeah, this was about my state. And what should I talk about it more? Yeah, so it has now 55 districts, and one of them is Jabalpur, where I am from. Yes, so yeah. And you everybody know the BJP is the ruling party in the state, in the country as well. And CM, yes, obviously Dr. Mohan Yadav is the CM of Madhya Pradesh. and yes, he has not replaced, but he succeeded. Uh, you know, the he succeeded Shivraj Singh Chauhan, who was uh, who was in chief ministership for two continuous tenure. And everybody knows, like in India, that he was a very popular politician in Madhya Pradesh especially, and now he is heading uh, two ministries, I guess. Yes, the Ministry of Agriculture and Rural Development. So it's a very, proud moment for us that three people from Madhya Pradesh, three ministers rather from Madhya Pradesh, are sitting in Union Cabinet, and one of them is obviously Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Another is Jyotiraditya Scindia, who is heading. Previously, he was heading the Aviation Ministry, but now he is heading the Ministry for Development of Northeast Region. Yeah, and one person is from Tikamgarh, if I'm not mistaken, obviously, right? And he is heading the Ministry of Social Justice. So it's a very, a moment of happiness for us. And now I would like to wind up this session. I hope you guys must have enjoyed it, have find it helpful. So yes, thank you so much for stay tuned. Oh, I missed one thing that I have to mention in advance, that what I'm gonna talk about in my previous video. So for that purpose, I would like to talk about what. Let's talk about. I have talked about democracy. I have talked about emergency. I try to find some burning issues. So at this time, what can I discuss with you all? So for this, let's talk about. Yeah, this point is very kind of pissing me that. Oops, I'm not getting a topic that I can talk on. Let's talk about my interests and hobbies. Yes, so in my next video I'll be talking about my hobbies, my interests, what I like, what I don't like, obviously, right? So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye bye.